Hi, this is Pallavi Verma. In my previous video, I have shown you how you can call a method within the same class. In this video, I will show you how you can call a method of a different class and a class residing in a different package. So let's get started. So I have my package here. I will create one class. So suppose it's fruits. Inside this class, I'm gonna write one method which is apple. So I will log the statement here. Right now I'm not gonna perform any operations, so just a printing statement. So inside apple method. So this method is inside fruits class. So what it is required to do is we need to create the object of the fruits class. So fruits object new fruits. Since the package is same for the both of the classes, it is successfully accepting this class. Now, what we need to do, we need to check what all the methods are inside this object. So object dot, we have these many methods. So apple is one of the methods that we have created. If I want to create more methods, so let's try that also. So now we have two methods inside this fruits class. So if I do object dot, now I have apple class and now I have grapes class. So apple object dot grapes. Now if I run this code, let's see whether it is calling or not. So first it is calling the test method of the poly class, because first we have created the object of the poly class, then apple and then grapes. So this is how you can call the method of a different class. So what if I have a different package? So let's create a package. So it's called .java. Now I'll create one class. It's sample class. Now if I write the method, so sample is the name of our method. Again I'm doing this printing statement. So inside sample method. Now I have a class, I have a method, but it's inside a different package. And I need to call this sample class inside the sample method called class. So what we do? What if I write sample class as class new sample class? So what do you think? Will it accept? No, obviously. Why? Because the package is different. So what we need to do? We need to import the package first. So import. Now inside which package the sample class is? So it's inside com.java. Java. Now if you see, the error has gone. Now we'll be able to access the method of this class. So we have already created the object of this class. Now the object will be able to access the method. So we have this simple method. Now we'll run it. So it is calling this sample class and it is executing this sample method. Thank you.